Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to address one issue of Samsung mobile, that is Samsung mobile is not getting charged. In spite of you are putting the charging cable, the mobile is not getting charged. Then what you have to do? There may be two issues, hardware and software. If there is any failure of any hardware item, then you need to replace it, but before that you have to address all the software issues. So I am going to cover first software and then hardware, so not wasting much of your time. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just coming to the first software issue, means you have to check the any updates are not available. Are there any updates? How you will check? Go to the settings and go to the software updates, and here download and install. Now it will check if there is any issue with the software, or any your mobile is not getting charged due to because it needs an updated version of software. Then it will come here, my mobile is up to date. If you are facing any problem with this, and it will prompt for updation of your mobile, so just update it and hopefully after that it will work. But if it is not working after that, then what you need to do, just go to the setting, go to the battery and device care, where it is here, and then go to the battery here. Please see that in 1 minute. Here more battery settings, and here fast charging is active or not. It may be you should try in both, in after getting on and off. If it is working in any of these mode, then it is okay, just do it. And if it is not working, then what you will do at that time, you will just check the cable here both side and check for any external particle here, and if there is one, please try to remove that with the help of toothpick or brush, anything, both side, and also this side also. So in this USB-C type port, you have to check for any external dust particle. Due to that, it might have been seen several times that charging is not working, and if everything is okay, just replace the cable and it will work, or replace the charger. But that is the last. Before that, you have to do all the soft activities. That's all. That's what I wanted to tell in this video. If you like this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.